Everybody, I just want to show you something. We're at the Home Depot for Christmas stuff, and they got this mini incandescent replacement. It comes with a thing, and the thing comes with all this stuff. You could get the lights, you could fix it, solder your ass off, and it is $241. $241, right? Okay. Let's just say, okay, 50, 273, 100, 328, and they come in multi. They come in multi 150, blue 100, 100, 100, 100. Obviously, it goes down, to white, and then big yarns. But if you just wanted to get 100 string to string, 327 minus 341. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I just thought that I'd whip that out. Let me show you the China Pride here at the Home Depot. We got incandescents are red, LED digital are green, and then we'll go to the end. And these are ultra bright LEDs. Sorry. Look at this. Look what they get for 50. New $54 for. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's for this reel. All right. So you're running around being fucking Mr. Griswold. That's fine. Then they got all the extension ladders here, and extension cords, and then at the end they got all the $5-10 stuff. But look at it, China. This arm has been moving and making noise, and it's in the way. They get 198 wire dough, should be a wire hoe. Lion King. Look at all of that. Look, what are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do with that? What kind of house do you have? What are you doing with that? Oh my God, look at that thing. Oh God. We used to actually have that, but it was $29.99 one year, not $76. What happens is it gets ruined. Oh, giggity. What happens is it gets ruined because it smells like shit. This is weird. So that's because his head is stuck. Oh, fungal. Okay, well, this is an overlay of what it looks like at Home Depot. Overpriced, Chinese, Christmas. But they do have a lot of stock 3 weeks before. Today is the 9th? 9th or 10th? Anyway, it's one of these days. I knew it. I went down one of these aisles. I said, they used to have the Christmas stuff. Yep, I knew it. So basically everything up there is down here. So, overpriced. 32 is a lot of money for something that's 3 foot tall. Maybe 18. $160 for an air-blown Olaf and sent. Fuck. Go fuck a goat. Some of these are just pop up. Look at this. They get $140 for this guy. Jesus, hopefully Chevy Chase is making money off of this. And then you get the doo-doo stuff we saw up top. Yard decor. Anyway, that's gonna wrap this up. Just thought I whipped the phone out. How much they get for the tree? Sorry. All right, $300. 7.5 feet. 6 feet is 50. That's gotta be. So that's gonna wrap up this segment of Christmas 2019 at the Home Depot with overpriced Chinese stuff. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and hey, make sure your blow-ups are actually blown up. Diggities.